In this video, I'm going to show you how to set email reminders in Apple Mail application on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Mail app, then you can open up Inbox, and here let's open up some email. And let's say I got this email, but I don't have time or I don't want to respond to this email right now. And all I have to do in that case to not forget to respond to that email is hit there at share icon and here tap and remind me. From here, I can select that options like remind me in 1 hour, or remind me tonight, or remind me tomorrow, or remind me later. I can tap on remind me later to set custom date and time when I want to get the reminder about that email. And then once I selected date and time, I can hit on done. Then I can go out of here, and when this time will come up, I will get a notification about that email, and this email will move to the top of the inbox list, so I can return to this email later and respond to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.